Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. I have about 5 hours before my flight leaves to go gather with my friends in Utah, and I decided that I was going to do quickly the card kit for this month. I am featuring a couple different papers in this kit. The Abigail Rose DSP, and also, what else am I using? It's a specialty, Texture Chic Specialty Designer Series paper. So there is this little piece of cardstock that is 2 3/8 wide and 3 3/4 tall, and you're going to adhere the Designer Series paper on top of it. The dimensions of the DSP are 2 3/4 wide and 3 inches tall. And we're all going to put that on some dimensionals, and then we're going to put that on a mat that is 3.5 inches wide and 5 inches tall. And that is like the card. I'm just celebrating some Designer Series paper, celebrating some different colorways. You don't know which one you're going to get, whether it be, you'll get one of each, the Texture Chic and the Abigail Rose. But each one of them has different papers in it, so I'm just going to mix them up. Hopefully you don't mind. And then you're going to get a little sentiment strip, I promise. And from that sentiment, you can do whatever you have at home. I am choosing to use a brand new stamp set called Charming Sentiments. And this one actually has the dies to cut out the sentiment. So it is finally, that's what I just absolutely adore it. So many different sentiments and so many different dies that go on top of it. So I hope you like this card kit featuring some of the new some of the new papers in the brand new annual catalog that launched, the 3rd of May? So not even a full month yet, guys. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm putting dimensionals on the back. And then again, like I'm doing 2 here, because why not? It's like I've got all the time in the world. So I'm going to Utah to hang out with some other demonstrators that actually earned the incentive trip like myself, but we Stampin' Up decided to cancel the incentive trip because of COVID. So we are sort of just gathering together ourselves. There's going to be, I think, 80 of us out of the 400 who earned the trip this year. I hope you go and follow me on my Facebook, because I'll probably be popping in there and sharing with you, because we'll be hanging out in a hotel with Wi-Fi. So that's always good. So this is the stamp set I'm talking about. Here is the stamps, and then the dies, and so many different sentiments. So I was doing swaps with this for my trip upcoming. So I decided to use the Wishing You Everything Wonderful sentiment, 2 dimensionals on the back. And then I'm going to pop this on my card. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section, or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store where you're going to put in the host code. Again, I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.